download Telugu Stop Android app in Play Store or iOS app in App Store and stay tuned to latest news as it happens. In the run-up to the Andhra Pradesh Assembly elections, though a year ahead, the opposition Telugu Desam party, TDP, on Sunday announced several freebies and welfare schemes. TDP Supremo and former Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu announced that if voted to power, TDP will provide financial assistance of R20,000 each to farmers every year. Addressing a public meeting to mark the culmination of TDP Mahanadu or the annual conclave of the party here, he unveiled the party's poll manifesto titled, Bhavishyatku Guarantee, Guarantee for Future. He promised a monthly dole of 1,500 rupees each to women aged 18 to 59 years. The TDP chief promised 15,000 rupees annually for every mother under the proposed scheme, Talliko Vandanam. Under the Desam scheme, each household will get 3 free gas cylinders every year. Like the Congress in Karnataka, the TDP promised free travel for women in state-owned TSRTC buses in the state. Under Yuva Galam, Youth's Voice, the TDP promised 20 lakh jobs for 5 years. Every educated unemployed will be paid monthly allowance of 3,000 rupees. The opposition party also promised free drinking water to every household. If voted to power, the TDP will bring a legislation to provide protection to the backward classes, Naidu said. The TDP chief promised to make poor rich by doubling their income. Welcoming withdrawal of 2,000 rupees currency notes, Naidu also demanded withdrawal of 500 rupees notes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.